On my journey of finding the ultimate trading tools, I came across this MetaTrader 5 robot. The strategy used caught my attention. Even though the robot was designed to trade on currencies, after some configurations, I tested it on Step Index market and created a solid technical approach to trading the market. It was able to achieve a 10% yearly gain on backtest, using the lowest lot. Although backtesting is not 100% accurate method to test a robot because of the changing live market quotes and slippage, it's a good way to measure strategy probability. I will fund a $200 live account and leave it running to get real-time trading results, and I will show you at the end of this video. First things first, switch on auto trading mode on MetaTrader 5. On Tools, click on Options, go to Expert Advisors and tick the boxes to allow DLL imports and allow web request. Click OK to save. When the platform is ready, open the Navigator panel and double-click on the Step Index Royal Scalper robot. It will appear on the chart. Tick the box to allow modification of signals. On the inputs, set the lot to 0.1. The lowest lot you can use on Step Index. Leave the risk percent to 2.0. Set order distance to 200. Set the take profit points to be 200 and stop loss points to be 70, so that after each loss the robot can recover on the next trade with no martingale. Set the trailing stop loss points and trailing take profit points to 5. Set the time frame to 4 hours for best in-depth technical analysis. Leave the bars end to 5. Set the trade expiration to 50 hours. And leave the magic to 111. Click on Save to create the preset file. Press OK to start analyzing the market with the robot. All set, I will leave the robot running. Meanwhile, let me do a backtest using the MetaTrader 5 inbuilt strategy tester. From January 2021 up to November 2022, testing on 1 minute time frame, using zero latency for the ideal execution on every tick, with an initial deposit of $1,000. On the inputs, use the same settings used earlier on the live account. Click on Start to begin the backtest. Waiting for the data to load. Backtest has begun. For the sake of time, I will fast forward this part, because the robot takes some time before executing the trades. It may take even days before executing a trade, because the strategy used is based on order block breakout. I know some of you are asking how all the blocks are relevant on the synthetic index market, because mostly they are used to pinpoint the exact time the big banks or financial institutions pump money into the market. But for step index markets, it's a computer-generated algorithm. All markets have liquidity, demand and supply, whether forex markets or digital assets. So the Step Index Royal Scalper will scan the markets and determine specific market price where there was high liquidity, and when price returns to those levels and break the market structure, the robot will execute a short-term buy or sell entry with a trailing take profit and stop loss. The robot is able to identify bullish order blocks and bearish order blocks, and it knows when the price breaks the market structure. The robot places buy stop and sell stop pending orders and triggers them when price breaks above or below the order block level. That's how the strategy of the robot works. Very good for swing trading. Backtest complete. On the backtest results, you can see I got 100% history quality data. That's a good start to measure strategy probability. From $1,000 initial deposit, we got $164 total net profit, with a maximal equity drawdown of 10%. The test was done using the lowest lot on one chart. You could easily multiply these small profits into more profits by adding more lots or markets charts. The profitability curve shows steady growth with minor equity drawdown. There were good days and not so good days. That's normal in a dynamic market. Please note that these are just estimations based on historical data. More testing needs to be done over a long period of time to determine the actual win rate of the robot. One of the major setbacks of this robot is that price will not always break the market structure. It's hard to detect a fake breakout. Sometimes price will break the order block, then retrace back. That causes the robot to close a trade in loss. To avoid interruptions while using my personal computer, I will leave this robot running on a VPS for some few days, then I will come back and show you guys my results. If you are looking to rent a remote computer, you can use my #1 VPS service. Cheap VPS is secure, reliable and stable with no downtime. Highly recommended for running MT4 or MT5 robots. Use my affiliate link on the description below this video and get a discount on your first VPS.
72 hours later.
When I came back to check on my account, the robot had made $2 profit only. Since then no other trade has been executed. But the robot set a buy stop pending order. If you apply the order block indicator, you can be able to see exactly where the robot has set the buy stop order. It may take some time before price reaches that level. But step index market is very volatile, it moves fast. The robot will wait for the price to break the downward market trend and execute a buy option for 200 points target. It will set the take profit and stop loss automatically. Moments later, the robot set a sell stop order. Now it's just a matter of patience. Whichever direction the market takes, price has to be triggered. Due to time factor, I will be sending the results of how the robot is performing on my official Telegram channels. This robot will be free for download after 500 likes on YouTube. To boost my YouTube algorithm and help me grow the ultimate trading community. If you are already a subscriber, text me on Telegram or contact me via the email displayed. I will send you the robot. 100% free. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for your watch time. Leave your comments below and I will try as much as possible to answer them. Remember the wise words, scared money don't make no money. I am out. See you on the next video. Peace.
Talk to you soon. I got work to do.